Good morning students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome back to the maths class. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of multiplication. Multiplication is nothing but a repeated addition. Now multiplication is nothing but a repeated addition. Multiplication is a way of repeated addition. Repeated addition. Now for example, here listen, here balls are there, no? Here 2 balls, here 2 balls, and again here, listen, here balls are there, no? So now here 2 balls and here 2 balls, here 2 balls, here 2 balls. So now here these 2 balls 1 pair, here 2 balls 1 pair, 1 pair, 1 pair. Now here 2 balls and again here 2, again here 2, again here 2. We can do the addition. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 6 plus 2, 8. So now we can take more time. So now what we can do, here total how many are there? 1. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into, here each group, how many balls are there? 2. 4 2s are 8. Okay, this is a short way, means short way we can do. For example, we can do the addition, take more time. So we can do the multiplication, we take a less time. For example, look at the board once. Now listen. Balloons, like a balloons. Now for example, here look, here how many groups are there? Here 5 groups. How many groups are there? This is one group, 1 2 3 4 5. How many groups are there? 5 groups. And here listen carefully, here 5 groups, and each group how many balloons are there? Each group how many balloons are there? Each group 3 balloons. So 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Okay. So now listen carefully. Now I am doing addition. Now how much time taking? First listen carefully. Here 1. So here 3 balloons. 3 plus here 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Listen carefully. This number here, here and here. Now here how many groups are there? 3. So now we can do the addition. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3. Now 12 plus 3, 15. So now we can do that like this. Now we can short way method. This is the 5 3s are 15. Already in first class you learn the tables, no? Now multiplication is a repeated addition. Multiplication is a way of repeated addition. So now I give some more examples for you. Now listen here. For example, here look at the board once. Now 5 3s are, 6 2s are. Already you know very well. So this is 5 3s are. 5 3s are means already you know the table. 5 table. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. This is a multiplication. In this multiplication we can do in repeated addition also. How? Here 5 how many times we are writing here? 3 times. Now this is a rough column you take, and 5 plus 5 plus 5. Total how many times we are writing 5? 3 times. Okay. 5, 5, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Okay. So if you know the table, we can do directly. If you don't know the table, we can write like a repeated addition. Okay, understood? Now here 6 into 2. 6 into 2 means 6 into 2 means we are writing 6 2 times. How many times? 2 times. Here for example 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 means take first already 6 is there and again here 6. Now I will take 6 in my finger. And here already first 6 is there, no? After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now I am writing here 12. Means already we know that. We know the table, no? 6 2s are 12. Okay. Same answer, no? Now we can do in repeated addition and we can do directly. We got the same answer. Okay. This is the one digit multiplication. These are the one digit multiplication. For example, now I am giving 2 digit multiplication. For example, 21 into 3. 21 into 3. How we can do this? Now first I am writing 21 in rows and column wise and we can multiply with 3. So if you know the table, this problem we can do easily. Now 21 into 3. I am writing here 21 into 3. Now listen. First we can do the multiplication in start with ones place. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are 3. I am writing here 3 in ones place. 3 I am writing in ones place. Okay. Next go to the tens place. 3 twos are 3 twos are. So now we are writing here 3 table, no problem. We can do directly also, no problem. Now 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. So multiplication purely depends upon the table. If you learn the 1 to 10 tables, we can do the multiplication very easily. 3 twos are 6. Okay, understood? What is the answer here? 63. 21 into 3 is equal to 63. Okay. Now, okay. Now next problem. Now 2 digit multiplication. Okay, now I am going to fourth problem. Now listen carefully. Fourth problem. Now 34 into 2. 34 into 2. So now we can do directly means we don't know. So that's why what we can do, we can write here 34 down and into here. Now start with ones place. Start with multiplication in ones place. Here which number having here? 4 and we can multiply with 2. Start with ones place, no? 2 fours are. So now you don't know means first you write the table here. Now we write the table. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 fives are 10 and 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. Okay, understood? So now first we write the table. So which table we are writing here? Which number given? No, that table you are writing here. Okay. Now here first start with ones place. 2 fours are. 2 fours are. How much here? 2 fours are how much? 8. 2 fours are 8. So this 8 you are writing in ones place. Okay, understood? So here 2 fours are 8. This 8 you are writing in ones place. Next ones place over. Now I am going to tens place. 2 threes are. Same number. 2 table compulsory. So 2 threes are. So here you know 2 threes are how much? 2 threes are how much? 6. Now I am writing here 2 threes are 6. Okay, understood? Okay, understood? Now next one, next problem. Now 68 I am writing here. Next problem. For example, (41 into 5). 41 into 5. So now here 41 into 5. Now I am writing here 41 into 5. So now which table we are writing in a rough column? As 5 table. Here which number given here? 5. So now I am writing here 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So now here table not writing and we can do directly, no problem. But if you are writing table, we cannot do any mistake. Okay. So now this is your choice. Table writing, this is your choice. Without table you can write, no problem. Okay. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. So we write the table up to 9. Okay, 1 to 9. Okay. So now here 5 1s are. Okay, start with 1s place. 5 1s are. So now here 5 1s are how much? As 5 1s are 5. This 5 you are writing in 1s place. Okay. Next 5 4s are. 5 4s are. Here 5 4s are. 5 4s are how much? 20. Okay. 5 4s are 20. This 20 we are writing in directly. Why? Because we are writing in directly means here another number not there. So that's why we are writing directly 20. So what is the answer here? As 205. Okay, understood? So this is a way of we can do the multiplication in 2-digit given time. Okay. So if you 2-digit multiplication given time, we can do like this. Okay. You can draw the pattern like this and you can do it like this. Okay, understood? So now 205 is the answer. Okay. This is the only normal means we cannot carrying numbers, we are not adding carrying numbers. Okay. This is normal multiplication. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, watch this video carefully and do the worksheets in carefully. Okay. If you are writing table as you wish, without you are writing or not writing, that is your choice, but this here multiplication we can do in correct way. Okay, understood? So now this is the multiplication. After watching this video you can write the worksheets and write with neat handwriting. Thank you.